How to enable message filtering in iOS. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Messages. This is where all your iMessage and SMS settings live. Step 2. Inside the Messages settings, look for Filter Unknown Senders. Toggle it on. Once enabled, your Messages app will now show two tabs, Known Senders and Unknown Senders. Now, messages from people not in your contacts will go straight to Unknown Senders tab. You won't get notification for those unless you open that section. You can take filtering even further by installing third-party SMS filtering apps like Truecaller or Hia. Go to Settings, Messages, Unknown and Spam, and select your preferred filter provider. And that's it!